All right, let's get started. Yes, let's see. Oh, I forgot to download all the audio. Let me switch to the Unity scene maybe. Yeah, let's go to the Unity scene. And I will let them jump around for a bit. I think I'm in this. Yeah. Going to let them jump around for a bit while I download. Oh, my mic is really loud. Is that better maybe? No? What about now? This should be good. Good. I just saw it go straight into the red parts of OBS. So give me just a couple of minutes. So many things. Gonna download the whole folder. I should maybe. No? Okay. I can't download the whole folder. Think. No? What up, Chris? How are you doing? Welcome, welcome. Thank you for the claps. I am currently downloading audio. I will update my ticker in a little bit. You're doing fine? Good to hear, good to hear. How are you enjoying the... Just select all. How are you enjoying Asprite and working in LDTK? Download. Cool. Now I'm downloading all the files. Let me actually put them. Okay, I got the files. Let me open the ticker and write down what I'm going to do. We got that. All right. I did not prepare well today. Okay, let's switch. Now we can be on the scene, just so we can have these slimes be on the side jumping around. So last time we fixed our state machines, we worked on the bigger slime and got it to... Oh, you're not using Asprite. I thought you were using Asprite. Last time we worked on the bigger slime, we made a way to visualize our collision objects, and we have both a long range and a close range attack, and we spawn smaller slimes when it dies. Very similar. Cool, cool. So I was going to do let me remove this because we have a lot of feedback now. A lot of mechanics. I wanted to do the feedbacks or the MMF feedbacks from the field package, but today I'm going to do audio. So first we'll create an audio manager, rework the audio manager. Secondly, I want a command to reload music from disk. So I can make a build and then we can load files from a folder. So if we want to, or we could just switch out the files in the game and load them in by running a command. We load the new file. So when testing audio, we don't need to be in Unity and drag and drop stuff. The audio engineers can do it without having to care about being in Unity for now. You only use GIMP. Well, anything that works is good. You can still build a sprite for free if you go to the source code and follow the instructions. It probably requires a bit of technical knowledge, but if you want it, it should be 3. 3, not 3. Command to reload the music from disk, and then, well, let's do this first. Add slime audio. Then we reload it from disk. That is my goal for today. Still not doing it? You do want to support them, so you might spend money on it one day. Yeah, I used to build it, and then I wanted to support them now, since I'm using it on stream. So I just bought it. You still prefer GIMP? Yeah, if you are fine with GIMP, then use GIMP. Like, it's not a... Use the tool that you are most comfortable with. It's the same with engines. It's what up, Caspot? How are you doing? Thank you for the clap. So yeah, this is what we're doing today. Did I save it? No, I didn't. It's not. Here we go, now it's updated. Okay, so I do have an audio manager. Doing well, working on some sounds. How about you? I'm doing great, I'm doing great. A bit stressed this evening. We were done with food like 6:20 p.m. 6:10, 6:20. Then we had to eat, and then we had to clean up, and now streaming less than an hour later. It was a bit hectic, but all good, all good. We do have an audio manager. So this is how for the game jam, this is how we added all the sounds. Just a large enum, and I have an idea how I want to do this. So for each entity, I'm thinking, well, why not use scriptable objects? That's all, as usual. So I want to create a scriptable object that for a base for the scriptable object. Let me actually lower the audio on my mic a little bit more. Like this, maybe? Yeah. I want to make a base scriptable object that will have like all the enemy stuff, like taking damage and attacking, and then we can add a list of each, so we can add as many randomization audios as you want. Like you could add like 10 being attacked or being hit, and it would randomize between those. So let's do that. Because that would make it easy for me in the audio manager to just drag in different types of audio clips. So where are we? Script. Let's make a new folder. audio. And audio collection base. You should be making dinner now. All right. Good luck with dinner. Are you doing pasta again? And only pasta? It was pretty funny. It should be audio. What up, Josan? Long time no see. How are you doing? Maybe still need to think what to make. Oh, I need to raise my chair a little bit. Then I need to go down a little bit. There we go. How are you doing, Josan? Audio enemy base. So base, I'm not going to use the create asset menu for this one. So we don't really need this one. How's it going here? It's going great. I am working on audio today. Audio from Cloud4 Studio and Caspot. It's hard to remember like all the names. Different names on Discord and Twitch. But yeah, I think I got it. So what do we want with this? We want a list of it'll at least be enemy audio collection base. We need a list of audio clip. Let's make it protected and also serialize the field. So what audios do we have? We have the idle. We have basically each sound is going to be a. But the idle will be for all. Land will not be. Hit will. Attack. Die. Die. I guess those are the generic ones that enemies will have. Let's just add another file and call it slime audio. Maybe. Collection. So all we do now is we inherit from what we just made. Audio collection base. And that way I will have all the audios I need for that. But we're also going to need a few more for each slime. That will have a jump. Not sure I need to make a list for the jump. We have a land. Is there any more? No, it's jump, land. Yeah, that is all I have. So this will be slime, audio, enemy slime. File name would be slime, audio, collection. Cool. Now we can go to our data folder and go to enemy. Make a folder and call it audio. And then we have audio, enemy, slime. Perfect. There we now have all the audios we'll need for the slime. Or here we can add all the audios we need for slime. Now, where do I put the actual audio? Maybe in audio. Yeah. Let's remove all of the existing ones. Random audio downloaded. Okay. That should be good. And now I'm going to make a folder in here for slime. Drag all the slime audio. Oops, I accidentally opened it. Slime. Should probably add another folder and call it enemy. And then I'm going to make another folder and call it big slime. We're going to deal with variations and non-repeating sequences. Well, the only type of variation we'll have is a randomization of the audio that is played. So if it's a list, currently if it's a list of hit sounds, then I will just randomize which sound is played. For the vertical slice, we're not doing anything advanced with audio in general, but for the full game, we are potentially looking into using fmod and some cool stuff in there. Sorry. There we go. Okay. So for the slime, we can just drag in the jump, grab the land. I did add a list for the idols. Then we have attack, which are 3, and then we add a hit and death. There's one slime audio collection. Let's go to our audio manager. Let's remove this. I mean, it was a nice thing to do. But I'm wondering how I should do this now. This is how I called it before. I just used the name of it. That's perfect for a game jam. Let me build this and see where it crashes. Button sound is not something I'm using right now. Exit level. Right. Using that? No, I'm not using exit level. The melee attack. This is how you deal with it in a game jam. Just gonna copy all of this out. Comment all of this out. We get it to build. Good. Now, how do you want to do this in the audio manager? I was thinking that it would be a bit of a manual workflow. You hate enums. Well, enums is, depending on what you do with it, it's great, and it's easy for readability. I use it in a couple of places, like the direction of enemies. Like directions, yeah. That is my, yeah. Or do you mean directions like north? Because I use it for the direction the enemy and the player is facing. If they're facing right or left, that's an enum. I don't think I have that many enums, to be honest. But yeah, I'm thinking if we just do a serialized field there with slime audio collection. There is an interesting way we can do this. And that would be to have the scriptable object play the the audio. It's going to look weird. It's going to be no, maybe. Should I? I mean, I can do it so where we would have the audio manager being a singleton. We could just be B. We could just do so we can get the slime audio from anywhere. And be like slime audio collection, and then you go in play audio of the type you want, like play idle. Should I do that? I think that would be the easiest way, but then I would also have to add a method like in slime audio. I would need one for jump and for land. Unless we add all of them to a dictionary. Then I could just get them easily. But that wouldn't make it good. Let's just go with this for now. Play idle would be kind of funny. Audio manager, instance, play audio, and then we send in the clip idle. Look into the Open Unity project and see how they do it. Open Unity project. What is the Open Unity project? This one? You mean this project? Cool. Yeah. Let's go audio. Do they have anything? No, it should probably be in scripts. Audio manager. Do they have an audio queue? So how do they do it? Change master volume, set group volume, public, online interrupt music, play audio cue. Now, where is this called from? Because this is basically what I was thinking about. Oh, they are using lips that need more than one object from the pool. Interesting. But this is basically what I was thinking of, just not that I would have a sound emitter like they do. Have that SO that contains the audio for one type. Want a behavior that does what you have for collection for a character animated and placed into the SO channel. So are they putting the scriptable object on each, like would you put it on the slime? I assume then. And then the slime plays the audio through the audio manager by sending in the clip it wants to, instead of having them in the audio manager. Sort of like that. All right. Yeah, all right. Yeah, that's probably a lot better. So then the collection would be, but I didn't check out the, can I, how do I, is that how I open it? Yeah. I need to go back into scripts, or our scriptable objects, where they put the scripts. Or is this just... Oh, okay, they are in script. They have a critter audio that is mono, that function play idle, that sends the SO to the channel music, and then invokes by an event to the audio manager. So the SO is passed by event to the manager. Okay. Oh, you mean like... So the manager is not... Okay. So the audio queue event channel, the channel itself is a scriptable object. Cool. And then the audio manager just listens to when things happen on this, I assume. Erase play event. The queue. You invoke the play requested. Yeah. Yeah, I've noticed that when you rely too heavily on scriptable objects, it's kinda... it gets messy, unless you are more than one person. But It's kind of amazing for game designers and other people in the project to be able to use the scriptable objects, so that it doesn't have to be code changes or script changes. They just change things on the scriptable object. But having the audio be a scriptable object, or the queue as they made, then we would decouple the audio manager. Slime base. Slime base. Enemy base would then take in a script. I think that's cool. Let's try it that way. Not exactly like they're doing it, but I'm going to what am I going to call it? Audio channel SO. Just audio channel. Why do I need to call it SO? It's a scriptable object, but I don't think I need to. Scriptable object. Or maybe I should call them all SO. They are scriptable objects. Create as menu name would be audio manager. Base channel. Those just have a public void play audio, and I'm just going to send in an audio clip. Pretty much. You need to know if it's an SO1 referencing code. No, you don't. Rough EFG, how are you doing? Welcome, welcome. No, you don't need to know if it's an scriptable object in code, since it's an audio channel. Or do you? I rarely. I mean, I know what it is already, so. But I guess if you are a lot of people in the project, you might not want to. Might want to write the SO to be explicit with what it is. I haven't done C# events in a while. We could just do an action. Right. Or how do you create a C# event? Give me 1 second. Let me open up and check. Action is a generic delegate. Yeah, so I could just use an action. That would be the same. They are using an action. Well, I don't even need to give it anything. If I don't want to, it can just be an action. But audio clip would probably be the on play audio clip. Would it be public? Yeah, I guess. I don't even need to new it because we're setting it. Where? And we just do on play audio clip. Basically. And that is all I need to do for the channel. And then I would have my audio manager take in say last field of private audio channel, and then that would be like SFX channel. Guess you can easily limit how many. I'm going to go play now. Let's say do like this. But then again, yeah, I guess. And then you would just enable what did I call it? Oh, I didn't add the underscore. How do you feel about static events? Define static events. Do you mean just a static event? You're trying to learn mirror but facing difficulties? Well, I do not know mirror. Static class with a static delegate? If you are going to use the static class with a static delegate, wouldn't it just be... What's the difference between that and just using a singleton? Well, it doesn't have to be a mono behavior, but I don't see any benefit, since that would tightly couple code, and I don't think I like it. Not sure. I haven't. I've never experienced it. We have the SFX channel, and on enable we can I'm just... Wait. Should I... No, I guess since we have an audio manager, we don't need more listeners. This would be on play audio clip, but it was be on the SFX channel. So we would need to have, if we do it this way that they were doing it, we would need a sound effects channel. And we would need to add a few channels for it. They could all use the same method, but then I would also need to send in more than an audio clip. Or will they? Well, it needs more than an audio clip to start with. Actually, I mean the music, but they will be on another channel, I guess. So all the sound effects would be on here, so that wouldn't. But this can't take an audio clip. Audio data. Audio clip. Then we need a position as well, where the audio is played. We can add more data later, but so we play the audio, we send in the audio data, because we will always need a position. Pretty much. And then I could technically just do what I did before with my audio sources. I'm going to make this easier for me. Oh no, wait, we could. A one-shot data. Audio clip. And then this source. Wait, is that not what I did? How did I do this before? Source transform, right? And if we played one shot, we don't need to have the volume. I mean, we don't need to set the clip. Then we need this. Let's move this down so we get on enable and on disable next to each other. But you usually null it. Remove listener warning.
Okay, guys. Just tell me when to stop.
What up, Matush? It's going pretty well. Going pretty well. How is it going for you? Line 46. Oh. Good catch. Good catch. Thank you very much. How is your API going, Matush? I remember you working on that last time. Yeah, I usually do remove listener, but it's must have been a miss. This is code from my game jam still. Good, already finished documentation today. Cool, cool. Glad to hear. Good job. So this is basically all I need, and then I put, let's go to the enemy base. And on the enemy base, I'm going to add a serialized field, which will then be the audio channel. Audio channel. And then we got slime enemy. And this would take a slime audio collection. I think this is all I need to do since I already have my audio manager pretty well set up. But with this I don't need the direct link to the audio manager, to the instance. Audio, let's do this, channels. And we add an audio base channel. SFX audio channel, and then let's go to the slime. that one. We have the audio channel, we just drag this in, and then we are not seeing the slime audio on the slime enemy, right? Yeah, we do. Slime audio collection right there. Cool. Now that is something I would need to put into my slime data. I should probably put it in there instead of having it separate, but for now I think I'm doing more things in the base class with the state machine, but I mean, I can get the state machine and there's an enemy state data. That's, I don't want the data. Or do I? Let me think where I should put the audio. I could put it here in my enemy state data. But that wouldn't, well, it wouldn't be here, it would be in... I have to make a separate data for it. Enemy base is a part where I can load base data, yeah, so I could just do add data, slime audio collection. And that way, I think if we go into the but this is also a problem. If I go into my generic state that I have, like the let's go attack state. What's it called? The not big slime. And then melee attack state. So this is a generic event or state. So that would mean that each state would have the means that each state would have either I would create separate states for each enemy and not reuse them, or I would have to add each audio clip in here. And I guess it would be technically correct to add the audio clip here because it's the state and it only cares about what the state is doing. But that would make it hard to make the thing I want to do. And that is to make an audio manager that can reload all the audio. So for the audio engineers, I want to make a console command that we can reload all the audio. So they can switch files without having to go into Unity and do things. So I'm thinking how I would do that, but the easiest way would be to have a full collection like this one. Oh, like this one. That way I could just add a base script in here to reload the audios with the same name from like resources or something. But if I separate them all and put them in each state, that wouldn't really matter because that's not where we're reloading them from, I guess. Because the files we're reloading, not the audio clips, not the states. But I would need to have them in a place where I'm getting them from. It's rough. So, should I... What should I do? What should I do? I am struggling, not because of using scriptable objects. I am struggling because I wanted to build a way for my audio engineers to have a build of the game and switch out the audio with a command in the in-game console. But if the best way or the cleanest way would be to put each audio clip in each state. So since we have generic states, like enemy melee attack state, then basically just doing a putting files in a folder, one set of clips. So basically you make a build of the game, and then in the game data folder, like in Explorer in Windows, or you put files in a folder and go with like reload audio, and that would load in all the new audio that you put in the folder and switch out the ones that are in the game. So you could sit and tweak audio and try different types of audios when like how it works. It's basically just reloading the audio or loading new audio files in a build and not in Unity. Are drawing skills necessary here for Unity, or it depends in some way? It depends on if you are doing 2D or 3D, and if you are drawing yourself, or if you find someone else to draw. I mean, anything that requires graphics would require some level of artistry, I guess. But it also depends on the style you go for, or if you buy assets, or which path you choose. But generally, you could compare it like web development. To make it look good with like custom stuff, then you need to draw or make images in some way. You could use the generic, or well, the default ones. Doesn't usually look good, but you can. Yeah, so I'm just thinking, how do I do this in a good way? That's pretty much what I'm thinking about right now, if I want to reload audio. I made this in a project a couple of years ago, where you could reload audio from the console. We're still gonna have the audio set as well. Do you mean this audio set, like the collection? I want to, but because it would be so nice to just have everything in one place. Because you could probably load with streaming assets. Yeah, that's probably what I did last time. Yes. So if we run the command, we could... Alright, to make this... But it's taking time to load the project with that. Does it? I could... Why would it take time to load a project with that? What up, Code Red Games? Thank you very much for the raid. How are you doing and how did it go with the new UI stuff? Welcome, welcome viewers. I'm working on audio. You're doing good? Glad to hear. It's going... I'm kinda stuck right now with how I want to solve the problem. So I think I'm going to solve it one way. We lose load time to compression if all sounds are gonna be played. Yeah. Food just arrived. Have to go eat. Alright, thank you for the raid, and I hope you'll have a good meal. Thank you again. Thank you, thank you. So I'm thinking I might... It's nothing permanent, it's just to test things for the it's a thing we're doing for the vertical slice. So it's for the vertical slice that I want to have done in like half a month or maybe 1 month. So it's after that we are going to create a real Fmod project and add audio that way. And have the audio people go into get into Unity. So I'm thinking I might not fix the whole audio manager right now. So I might actually go back to doing it like I did before, just that we have... Yeah, okay. I'm going to make it ugly. In the associate, yeah. So I'm going to add the audio in the audio manager for now. This is not going to be pretty, but I'm thinking the pathiness to load, yeah. So this will be completely different, yeah, to what I wanted to do. So let's skip the audio collection base for now. Let's make these public. And yeah, I'm just going to do get audio from list. No, I can't do that. Yeah, if we have this slime audio collection like this, then we could why not what? I'm just so far ahead in my head. We could probably do public void get random from list, and then we just send in a list of audio clip. Return range 0 and list dot count -1. And then we send back an audio clip. Cool. And then we, yeah, as you said, we could have a public string as a path. If I do this, I'm going to couple it with the audio manager quite hard. Since we are going to remake this, there's no reason for me to spend a lot of time to make something really good. We are playing audio clip. Static events make this easy. What is the difference between static events and just calling play on a method somewhere? Play audio clip. Well, you are coupled to the static class that has the event, but that's pretty much the same as a scriptable object. But I want all the thing is I want the whole slime audio collection in the audio manager, so I can just go over all here, because we're going to have 15-20 different objects maybe, or collections. I want to have them in one place, but I guess So you are saying basically a like static action. If you have event for refresh sound from paths, you don't need to put tons of collections in manager. Oh, you mean sound? So you mean that Lime audio collection would hook up in Awake on enable, I guess, to the static event. And it would basically be an action. Like this. And then would add a private void refresh audio. Would be a command. It would just do audio event dot on refresh audio. Pretty much. And then this would do it from the can you use asset database in no, that's unit editor. How do you load from streaming assets? Streaming assets unit, let's check. Streaming assets, code. Streaming asset path. Oh. Load audio runtime unity. There a I really need to reload the audios. This way. All right, the yield return. Could we just do a? Don't forget to on the table unscribe later. Yeah, true. Thank you very much for the help. Cannot await. Make it obsolete. What do you do? Use these. Let's see. Is there any code in here? Check this one out. Could we... So if we just need, if you just put it there, then that's for the video player. Loading the video, just setting the URL for the video. How do I load an object in... Unity web request. I guess it's the new thing. You can't await it still. Let me see if I can await a... This would be a sync task. Yeah. Send web request. You do that, okay. Why can I not? Why can I not await it? Not awaitable? But Unity web request should be awaitable. I guess not, and we can't start a coroutine from... Do we just do this? Alright, I'm going to just force this. That is not going to happen. They are obsolete. Can I specify the type in a Unity web request? We're getting, no we can't. Loading completed, request get audio clip. Okay, the streaming clip, that is not really what I want to do. Git component video player and then you just set the URL. So do I just get the audio clip? Can I get the audio clip without anything? No. Community web request multi. Okay. No? Audio type, okay. Well. Now, what is the issue with this one? It is a Unity web request. I am so confused about this. We have the request that didn't want to be it's in get audio clip. Get the Unity web to download the audio clip. Get the audio clip based on retrieved data. So request.get. How can we get the web request the media? Get audio clip file colon dash, okay. And audio type audio queue. We're using it, okay. Yield return. I'm not liking the all the coroutines in here. Can probably do it without yield return. I want to stream the audio. Download handler. Okay. Let's call this UBR. Now we have the audio clip. Then we'll set the audio clip to whatever it should be. So we need to send in a reference to the audio clip. Okay. Ref audio clip. Let's just call it clip. But we wouldn't know. So void refresh audio. And in here we'll do audio event. Refresh audio is refresh audio. We can't do this, we need to make this a list of actions. Let's do it on enable, on disable I mean, we remove it. Alright, so here I would want to load the clip. The file would be asset path. But that would be, we would do it like file // location.streaming asset path. With on loading completed, would that doesn't do anything. That would invoke it though, but we don't really need it. We just have it return an audio clip instead, because why not? And then we debug log above it. Got the audio. Turn on. Then we don't need to send in the clip. I would kind of need to load all the files in here. What did I know? Should I start off with just having I could start off by just getting the amount of idles I have now and hit attacking that. Yeah, let's do that. And here we would take the asset path, no, the collection folder path. Tooltip, slime slash small slime. For each idle. No, let's make it 4 instead. That would be easier. 4. Perfect. This is beautiful. Doing. What are they called now? They're called Uni NPC. Small slime. Idle. Cool. Beautiful. Isn't this beautiful? I can probably change this, but let's do it this way now. Just because I can. Dead. Back hit, and this would be death as well. So for now, let's do this and comment these out. And when we refresh the audio, we hope that we can reload the audio. Right, for each audio event. Audio event. Let's see what it says when I run this. Just want to see if it gets in there. Well, it replaced the audio file at least. So that's good. Terrible to do in here. Oops, I even removed it. Idle. So let's duplicate this and do clip. If audio clip is not null. Is audio clip. Else. Debug log. Couldn't find it. Find audio. Alright, cool. This would be. Did I? Slime, small slime. Then I would have to go into streaming assets folder. Let's do folder slime. Just do slime. There I wanna grab. Let's copy the land audio and put it in here. And I'm going to call it idle. 0. That's what I named the SX uni NPT small slime idle 0. Cool. So if this works out, then this would be idle underscore 0. And this should just be slime. I don't think I refreshed. Not sure if I need to. Let's try. Couldn't find audio. Right. Where did it say? Oh, that's the one complaining, yeah. Let's copy this out and see what it actually becomes. I'm sending the path here. Let me attach the debugger so we can see what's happening. Refresh audio. Asset, streaming asset. Well, let's that should be correct, right? Streaming asset. Up until there it's fine. Streaming assets. Slime. Did I typo the name? Let's try again. Want to see sx underscore uni underscore npt underscore small slime idle 0. Oh, that should be there. Okay. Could it be that I don't need the file at the start, maybe? In before it needs the file ending as well. That might be it. Couldn't find audio. Let's try it with this. Nope. I didn't try to put out the file, did I? No? File name, mp3. Having issues loading files from streaming assets. RIP. Let's go into load clip and see what's happening. Oh, yeah, since I'm not using a coroutine, we're just running through this. We're not pausing. Can I force it to... You can't do this either because it might not be done and then we just soft lock. Deal handler, do we have anything that I can? You know what? I could Maybe. No. Isn't there a package called like editor coroutines? I mean, that wouldn't work because we're going to have this in a build. Never mind. This is an scriptable object, it makes it way more annoying. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move this out to my audio manager. Enumerator. Enumerable. Enumerable. How do I enumerable? What do you do? Enumerator. Audio clip. Can you do this? Then you do the yield return. Is this how you did it? If you did it with send. Using that. Oh, we're awaiting. Did we await? Send. Then when we don't do this, we do a different one where you just send in audio clip like this. Cannot send a ref in. So we need an action. Action audio clip. Loading done. Alright, that should work then. Then we'll just do on loading done. Get the content. I'm just going to do audio manager instance load clip. Clip would then be clip loaded. No, just do clip. If clip is not null, then idle I is clip. It's modified. Right. You can't do this either, right? Value and then you send in value. Yeah. That wouldn't work either. Public void. Load clip. Because we need to send this in here. start coroutine. No? Not within. I haven't used enumerators in so long. Why can't we use a start routine with values? Oh. Enumerator. There we go. Cool. Then we do load clip from file. Let's make this private. And I let's see if this works. Then I am going to take a small break. I've been going for 150 already. Time goes fast when you're having fun. What happens now then if we do a refresh audio? We got something. I need a way to play that audio. Do we have an update in here? No, we don't. Void update. But we don't have access to the... Alright, this is the audio collection. Well, I'm going to take a small break. Before I continue with this, I'm going to make a cup of tea and I will be back in around 5 minutes. My microphone was off. Wonderful. So did I tell my story with the microphone off? I don't know. I probably did. So what is... No. Probably the... Oh, right, the audio. To refresh. Still null. We debug. Because now if we check the prefab, it shouldn't be null. It should be something. I'm not sure what it is, but it's something. Oh, it could be that I'm just setting the audio clip. I'm not creating. So if we get the clip here, I might have to do audio clip. New audio clip. I think you can do this. No? You can do idle value. You load audio data. No. Set data. Is that how you do it? They just set the audio clip like that. That is not what I want to do. There was another one that did it. I did find one that changed the data in the audio clip. We are getting the audio clip, we're getting something. So let me see then if I can... just do... Audio manager... as play audio and just send in the clip. Transform just sending in the clip. Because if this worked, then the... would it be the... my audio manager is not working. So what I'm going to do is just do this audio source, and I'm actually going to put that underneath the player object, and I'm going to do this game object. What up, Dram? Also, welcome back, G. I hope food was tasty. Hey Frank, can you help me test my game.exe? You know? Yes. Since you are a good friend, I help. First, send me like $2,000. Then, oh, claphat didn't work. It's broken, right? Not again. Simple food you've cooked. Let me fix the claphat. I think I fixed it now. I did. So I'm giving you a double claphat. And a clap. Alright, we fixed it. How are you doing, Dram? I am having trouble. Find player. Form find audio. Get component. Audio source. Debug log setting clip.name is test. Okay. I'm trying to dynamically load audio from file, and I'm not good at this. It's one of my weaknesses. We are setting the clip according to my log, I think. Yeah, setting clip. That means that this one should have a clip called test. Can I play this audio? Is that something I can do from this? Let me see, so I didn't just lower all the Unity audio, did I? No. Audio source.play. And set it to loop. Okay. Set it to loop. We have source play. Refresh. I'm going to mute the audio. You should stream on Discord more private. Select. Yeah, that is what I want to be. I want to be private. I don't want anyone to watch me. That is clearly what I want to do. No audio. Okay. Perfect. Isn't this perfect? Gotta build that brand name. Yeah, I'm going to use master audio for anything audio related. This is the land audio for the jumping slimes. But we did load it now, so that's good. Slime make lewd noises. Yeah, I'm not going to stream on Discord. I might stream on Discord for smaller stuff, but it's not going to be my main focus. Ever, probably. The slime is making lewd noises. It was. So, what do we do about this slime? Now we can load the... You got some attack sounds up on the drive. Cool stuff. I'm 90% done with loading audio from disk. So we got refresh audio. This will just load a single sound now. I don't know what these things do. But yeah, we got the sound in. So I am going to turn the music back on. And then I am going to load in all the audio. So we know that this works now. The problem for me when I load things like this in the editor is that scriptable objects they are persistent between plays. Yeah, streaming assets. You know what I'm doing with streaming assets? I'm streaming assets from it. Cool, huh? I'm not even streaming assets, I'm just loading them. You back from Discord? Welcome back. And welcome to the Discord. Okay, now we can set the clip. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these because I am amazing at this. That we do this. So we'll do private, and then we'll do serialized field on these. And this would be hide in inspector. Can you do non-serialized? Perfect. This is my super clean way of doing this. Cool. So we load this from idle. That's what we're going through. Do all of this, and this would probably like the actual idle I. Name. Could also make this lowercase. And with this one, it's private, so it should be private at least. Yeah, it's just, and then we do string private get off string animation, and then we're doing number. Then I can just return this. This will be animation, and then we return number. We get path, and this would be idle and I. Cool, I think. That is something. I can probably make this generic. Oh yeah, this isn't needed. But we need a way. We need this. Clip. Yeah, we probably need this beforehand. Means we would switch out all of those, and what's the we can do? We could probably export this to a method. No. With load list. What we need? We need the list of audio clip. List clips. Then we need the string animation. We do hit, we do attack, and we do death. Attack, hit, attack. It is not beautiful, but it's probably working. We don't need that one. We can remove the update method as well. Alright, so now we have the audio collection working, kind of. It's listening to updates at least from on refresh. So the next part would be to play the audio. We could probably do public static action. Play audio. Hey Siri, play audio. This will take an audio data that I made. Audio event. Play audio is play audio. Play audio. Test. Clip. That is what you do, right? No? Target. Do you not set an event like this? Oh, audio data. That is why. Why would I want to do that? Anyway, get available source. And then we do source clip, source play one shot clip dot audio clip, just for now. Is this an issue where I can't instantiate the audio sources? I don't know. I'm not playing the audio anywhere, so I'm not even trying to do that. Okay. But the problem here is the enemy idle state. Right, this was the problem that I had. That if I want to play the audio in state, then I mean, it would be cool to have different enemies share the animations. Or should I just... I can't add a command in here, that's a problem. State machine can though. So that would mean that each enemy state or base state would have an audio. Detected audio clip. Audio. But this doesn't make sense because some states would have more than one audio. So we can't make this generic that way. And it would make sense that each state would have their own audio. but we can't run commands in here. Can we? But we can run it through all states. So if we do a serialized field in each state, then the base state would have an abstract, or not an abstract, it would have a virtual void on refresh audio. Maybe. Audio clip, private audio clip, idle sound. Idle sound and data transform position. This would play on every frame. I don't think that's... Let's just play the idle sound here. So we would override on refresh audio. So here I would like to have, if we go back into the audio collection base, it's not the right one, the audio manager. Not actually the audio manager. Where we were doing stuff. That's not the audio manager, it was Lime collection, audio collection. I'm going to put this into a static class instead. Because then I can send in an audio clip instead and get an audio clip back. And I think that would be pretty good. So let's make a new script. Let's call it an audio helper. And let's make it static. Audio namespace, remove that. And we move this whole thing into here and make it static and public, and then we'll send in a single clip. Or we can do both, I guess. We also need to get path. Static. Collection folder path. Collection folder path. collection folder path. Type folder path instead. That's better. Right. Yeah. Then we can also do just a load that takes not a list. We remove this, get path, and we do get nothing. We have another one without the number. And this will take a string full name. Full file name, I think. Because then we could send in the full file name. I still need the type folder path, so full file name. Audio clip, let's call it that. So now in here we could do for these yo helper dot load list. All of these would be collection folder path. And then we can also go into the actual enemy idle state, and in here we'll do audio helper load. We send in the idle sound, and then we have idle sound name, and this will be slime for now. And I'm going to test this with the slime. So let's go into let's grab this slime and check the states. That is not the states. Where can we see the state? Enemy state machine. Slime idle state. Here I'm going to set the SX. Let's set it to big slime jump. No. Let's set it to this name. Or this object name. Audio was... Let's put it to hit one. Hit, no. Ooze, because that's way different. And then we have the idle sound down here. That I'm going to change the name of so we can lock that so it doesn't move. Idle state. Then we do ooze. Big slime, okay. I'm also going to comment these out because I don't need those. If this is correct, we are going to play the audio when I play. It's going to be a lot of audio, I assume. If it works with... No. Okay, so yeah, it does. We can hear it. Is it quiet? If I refresh the audio, does it stop? Is it? Did it change? I don't know. Climb idle state. Should be this one now. But it's not. I mean, it is playing the audio, but sizzling some bacon. Yeah, they became quite loud. Oh, are they looping? Is the audio set to loop on the audio sources that we're spawning? Spawning so many, yeah, they shouldn't spawn that many. Let me see if I need to check the audio sources and see if they are set to loop. No, they are not. So that means my where is it? It's from the enemy idle state. You wrote a bug somewhere? No. This is super intense sizzling, you know? Play audio. Oh yeah, we only do play one shot, okay. I got it. That is the issue. So usually I do this. So let's do on a play audio clip instead. Because then they should disable themselves when they are done playing. And we should reuse them. So I want to see that works. And then I also realized I did write the code for the refresh audio. That matrix is after you. So how many sources do we have? A million. I'm not lagging, you are. What is the actual issue? That doesn't sound even remotely right. What do you mean? You are the one who made the sound. Shouldn't you know about it? Gosh, these audio designers, you know. The only one you can trust when it comes to game dev is the programmers, you know. They're not even programmers you can trust. No, I've written a feature somewhere. So for some reason it is having issues with the clip because I'm not setting the clip anymore. So we should do data audio clip length instead. But now I need to go into my state machine. State machine. Here we have the enemy state, right? Which is base state that has the on refresh audio. Good. And the enemy state is the T, which is the Obviously not hissing. So basically in my state machine, I want to have the, I can't override it here because that would be, wait, yeah, okay, probably no, private void refresh audio. And here we do a command, which would be just refresh for now. That would do state machine. What did I call it? Or no, we need to go through all states. So for each state machine states, or do I have states here? I have all the states here. Zero last field. What do we do with the state machine states? Yeah. Key value. Right. Oh, value is T for chisel. So T would then be able to be cast to state TU. Can I cast it like this? That would be funny. If it already, no, then we can on refresh audio. Oh, then I don't have to cast it at all. Okay. So let's see if this works. This would be really cool. Enemy idle state. And then we have this one. I just want to do a debug log. But in here, if this works, then I'm really happy with my solution. Idle sound has not been assigned. No, okay. Spiky boy. Spiky boy. Where you gotta do this? Let's say to like something really weird. No, Spiky boy will then have a, let's do this. By the way, Cloud Forest Studios, you typoed on one. Can just be, or do I have one that is quiet? No. Or we could do, oh, let's do this. Just big slime hit. No, that doesn't work. If idle sound, where do I use the idle sound? I use it here. If idle sound a null, then we just it's not null. Oh. Then I don't have to set this. Which one? Let me let me check. The small slime idle, the first one I tried to use. And bad luck indeed. I mean, it doesn't really matter to me right now, but let's do this. Refresh should be. Really, do I know? No. Would I have to? Oh man. Okay, let's do this. Can we do a protected abstract void? Remove this, and we still have the refresh on that one. Can we have that? We're going to the enemy state machine and we implement this. You keep thinking you have some bacon on the stove? I'm sorry. I'm so used to just tuning things out. It's not a problem for me. Oh, you want some bacon? Way too late for bacon. Let's try again. I think audio is one of the worst things to work with in a game. Because... do I still need the... why would I need... trying to spawn a sound for each slime in the map? No, I'm trying to update the audio by loading it from streaming assets from runtime. I probably need this for all of them. State machine controller, base state. This is when I come up with my best solutions. So we got a base state. What if we do a base state base? Because the thing is, the only thing I need in base state is these, or those. So we don't need the I state here. We have the I state here, which is cool, because then in base state base we could do the command instead. Or that's not what I wanted. That is not what I want to do. That was not what I wanted to do. Even though it could be a way to go. What up, Debro? How are you doing? But yeah, we need to call the on refresh audio. But that doesn't really matter. It's not here the problem is, no. We are trying to, right, just painting your map in Unreal. Oh, that is so time consuming. But I hope it's going nice. I saw last time when I rated you that you were working on that, I think. Or maybe it was yesterday. I can't remember when days are just kind of... 1 second. Okay, so this is the state machine controller base is what I need to. Unless I go up one step and just implement it like this command, and here we do fresh enemy state. And then we can remove this part. then I'll just implement it manually for each state machine. What up, Royal C-Dub? How are you doing? Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I'm doing I'm doing great. I'm just having some trouble with this. I didn't have much time to prepare today at all. I went straight from work to do stuff to food to streaming. So I haven't had many minutes to do anything really. Making maps eats a lot of time, especially when you make the models on the side. Yeah. Art in general takes a lot of time. Fresh enemy state. Idle sound of enemy has not been assigned. You probably need to assign it in the inspector. Well, now we know that we got all the way over there and we got the sizzling going. But we need to go to... oh, could it be... I'm idle. We got this idle sound set. Been through all the states, so idle enemy, idle state should have a... Yeah, we got in here. Cool, once. Perfect. Not perfect. Idle sound is not set, so why would... Oh, if idle sound not null, I guess. That one is still pointing up there, yeah. So the goal with what I'm doing right now is that this one should be kind of unset. Should be set to a random. Nope, we are still sizzling. So the idle sound is always null. Enemy state machine, we got this. So let's see. Why it's not working. Rip. We do refresh. Enemy state. Here we have two states. It's from Spiky Boy. We're still on Spiky Boy. So this is only... I see. Is there any override for this? Target all. Because it was just targeting a single one, but it should target all of them. But I'm not sure what mono-target type is. The target type for non-static is the first instance found, all instances found of the mono behavior. Cool. Cool, so that might be why it was only a single one. Well, we got a lot of things going. Got in here on 4. However, we did not change out the audio. But it should be the enemy idle state. We'll load the audio and we probably need to just ref this. Can't. Can we audio clip if we return it? All right. Even more annoying. Can't do this. Action audio clip on clip changed. Then we do this on clip changed audio clip. So we do this instead, and then in here we do idle sound, or this would be clip. Idle sound is clip. Okay. We are getting closer. We didn't get to implement a lot of the sounds, but would you no?
Merry Christmas, filthy animals, and a Happy New Year.
So why is it not working now? Void private void on clip changed audio clip. And we do idle sound clip, because this would be in the state, so this idle sound would have changed. And clip changed. And I hope it's not the same. It can't be the same sound I put down here, because this is completely different, and it should tell us if it changed in there as well, because it should be null after we quit playing. We get in here, but okay. So we get in here, the load, do this, but we have a problem loading this. That is the problem. So it's an issue. Set the do this. We attach this to the editor, and then we check what the path is. Streaming asset slime SX uni. Oh. We also need a file ending. There we go. It worked. Cool. Cool. And now if we check the idle state, it should... Oh, it's at back? Really? Oh, right, it's because I'm instantiating the sounds. That's really good. Alright, then I have a way of putting sounds in my states. And I can refresh them. And it's pretty easy. So I could probably turn this back into like this. Because then I can easily copy paste that. Forget you can call unit engine object instantiate whenever you need to instantiate stuff. Did you make a static class that can just instantiate? I mean, you can kind of do it from anywhere, you know? Cool. So our audio is working now, or changing the audio states. Changing the audio in here works. So I am well, that's small. We did rework this is not really what the order we did things, so I'm going to change the order and cross them off. So we did reload audio from disk in states. I'll reload audio from disk to each state has audio. Add audio to state. It's what we did, and then 3 would be update state audio. That's kind of what we did. We did not rework the audio manager. I don't think we need that now. We did not add slime audio. So command to reload from disk we did. But then it only leaves me to yeah, then I just need to add audio to each object, I think, now. And then we need a way to keep track of them all, but that shouldn't be a problem. But for now it's a single audio file. I should also make lists for where I want to have randomization. And I should probably make a generic class for that. So let's do this for make generic audio class for lists. single objects. Call it next stream. It's perfect. Add box audio. So yeah, I think that's going to be it for me for today. It's 10 p.m. So let's see if there's someone we can go and say hello to. No, I'm sorry. I will be back tomorrow. Tomorrow I will start adding. Is Rave on? Yeah, we can go to Rave. Tomorrow I will start implementing all the audio that we have, and if I get all the audio in, it should be very fast, since I just need to add audio states to each, or audio clips to each state that I want to have audio on, and kind of time it right. Shouldn't be that hard. So let's raid Rave. Usually people have some kind of raid message, but I'm bad at raiding, so I don't. Thanks for watching today. I'll be back tomorrow at 7 p.m. as usual. CEST now. Yeah, have a good one, and I hope I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.